Let me show you how to pull your Facebook page performance data using ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe and get a full report with insights and recommendations. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose Facebook pages and set the permissions to read plus write. Sign in with your Facebook account and grant access to your page data. Select the Facebook page you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Copy the MCP server URL. In ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Apps, then create a new app. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Create. The InsightfulPipe MCP is now connected to ChatGPT. Now, write the prompt. Ask ChatGPT to analyze Facebook page activity over the last 30 days to understand what type of content is building audience interest and driving interactions, identify the top posts, and provide actionable recommendations to improve content strategy. ChatGPT connects to Facebook pages through InsightfulPipe and starts pulling the data. It fetches the page metrics and all recent posts to cover the full 30-day window. The report is ready. It shows 5 followers with 4 new follows in the last 30 days, 1,271 total reach, 11 engagements, and 134 video views across 23 posts. It ranks the top performing post by views. The best post on creating campaigns with ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, and Gemini got 530 views, the clear breakout winner. The report highlights what is working. Outcome first hooks that promise a concrete result like building a campaign or generating a report outperform generic connector announcements by 2 times. ChatGPT wraps up with clear recommendations including shifting the content mix toward outcome-led use case reels, adding conversation triggers to boost discussion, and improving early retention in the first 5 seconds. That is Facebook Pages Analytics with ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.